Hi, I'm Nadine and I work at Stadlerform. In this video I introduce you to our smart roommates Sam and Sam Little. So let's take a look at what's included. An instruction manual is included in the scope of delivery. Sam also includes a quick start guide for Wi-Fi setup. Of course, you will find Sam or Sam Little in the packaging. Place Sam or Sam Little on a flat surface and connect them to the mains. Make sure that the units are not too close to other objects or walls. To switch on the two units, press the main switch on the back. On Sam Little, this is also the on-off button. But now let's move on to the more exciting part, the most important functions of Sam and Sam Little. Thanks to his compact shape, Sam Little fits perfectly into smaller rooms where spot heat is desired. Sam Little has an integrated thermostat. This allows you to adjust the desired temperature individually to your needs. With Sam Little, you not only get individual warmth, but also maximum safety, as he has an anti-tilt and overheating protection. And also his big brother Sam has these two safety elements. Sam has a Wi-Fi connection, so he can be controlled not only via the display, but also from the comfort of your bed, sofa or desk via the Wi-Fi connection with the Stadlerform app. So that you always have the perfect heat, you can set the temperature with Sam to the exact degree. Thanks to the digital thermostat and auto mode, Sam can keep the temperature constant. The advantage is that you don't have to switch the device on and off, and the temperature always stays pleasantly warm. Are you also looking forward to cozy hours with Sam and Sam Little? Or do you still have some questions about the two fan heaters? Then write them in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, then subscribe to our channel. See you next time and bye!